Guys, please make sure to stay until the end. We're going to talk about common mistake people make that can actually cost you thousands of dollars for parts, tools, diagnostics that you may not actually need. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair Guys. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find the travel control module, fuses and relays on Mercedes C-Class generation W205. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find them. If you have a factory travel control module, which fuses, relays you need to check. Please do not waste your money on parts and diagnostics until you watch that video, because it could be simple fix. And by the way, if you guys need to buy the replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we will share that information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. Electronics, engines, computers, transmissions. Why we do all that? Because our mission at the garage here is to save you as much money as we can, guys. All we need in return, please, guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these free videos. Check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. For the travel control module, guys, we'll show you which fuses and relays you need to check if you have that factory system. Quick advice from us: 9 out of 10 owners do not know that there will be 6 different hidden fuse boxes in that Mercedes. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Mercedes W205 fuse box location and diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. What do we guys need to do? Open the trunk. When you open the trunk, you see that's the carpet liner, lift it up, and on the right side here, on the passenger side, you're going to have a fuse box under a fabric flap. Just lift that flap and you're going to find a fuse box, the main trunk fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, let us tell you something really quick, guys. People make one common mistake. They never test fuses, relays. They look at them and they assume they're good. At that point, they think they have a good fuse or relay and they start replacing modules, computers, parts that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, guys. Always test your fuses. You have no idea how many cars we fixed for customers that said, oh, I checked the fuse, everything's fine, but I still have a problem. Now, some fuses are super hard to see if they're burnt or not. Some of them will be really easily accessible. You can clearly see them, but there will be fuses that are not see-through, fuses that may look like they're not burned, but they're actually burned. And often, guys, you can actually even test these fuses. Okay, let me show you now without even removing them. But it's very important to know how to test different fuses and relays. And if you want to see how to do that, guys, we're going to put that link to a video in the description of the video below, how to test fuse, how to test the relay. Always check that. I want to emphasize that enough because it could be a really simple fix. Guys, here now, we specifically do not have that option. Okay, but I want to show you, okay, what we need to do. We will come in that row of fuses. If you have the travel control module option, travel lights and all that stuff, the fuses will be located right here, and that's fuse 431, then it goes to 432 right here. The next, okay, the first fuse that you need to check is fuse 433 right here, 434, 435, 436 and 37. Guys, you can see how many fuses. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, all these 5 fuses will be for your trailer control module, trailer light. So those are the main fuses if you have the factory option that you will guys need to check. Guys, quick advice. Now, that generation Mercedes, it has all kinds of different fuses and relays. I want to show you some of them. Those are super special ones as well, guys. And those pre-fuse boxes as well. Check it out. You will have a great variety of fuses, relays. So, by the way, if you guys want to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, we'll recommend to keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We're going to share the information in the description of the video below so you can see where you can get them from, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.